Hello, people. On this Monday, your experience telecommunications contacts were not wrong. Just say I need to make this live streaming. Actually, this recording also on my ordinary. Context say it is about filing courtesy 6661 for the scarf framing for international police also about me as founder of Triple Six in the world on the courtesy ordinary life of myself. The contact conversations about me also doing live streaming as meaning. Context say Triple Six by my discovery definitively already being recognized and quite famous on internet global wide. Kind of busy on my neighborhood very sound. I mean, I'm trying for my particular. Actually, I'm doing monologue again on this moment. I want to say hi also to Alien Family God on international. Contacting made by myself on this calendar. And just for remind, it's already 2021 since 2008. We already get connected for my internet actually. My address is from County Unisa, actually not Sumatra Province, Town Medan. And I already experienced this moment phenomenon since years before 2008 actually. I'm definitely doing my sense activism on this progress momentum since 2008 because also this experience case actually based my observation since 10 years. Definitive public international conspiracies of carnage behold, but there seems none interest for talking about. And also about national counter initiative in stations networking also included for the momentum 2008. I mean, I'm on my library, I mean, on my zone territory room. Quite non-comfort actually because the situations with, I mean, in also supernatural phenomenon still craving myself. See, for the video, I mean. And I want to say hi also context to international social media Bigo context for them also on this day. Hi. Actually, I already include for my early life journey since 2010, 2008 context similar with that. Bigo International Bigo contact from government countries or some police department also for them. Say need this conference actually contact very quiet and also still need particular still need anchoring by myself on this progress. 6661 got to score framing on this calendar get connected again, and say visual contact experience going to be responsible for the next estafette on authority actually. Basic actually also context say about conversations just before 2008. Alien Francis Human already doing conversations, particularly about appointment and this was got 666, got human commanding goods from Greek, got millennium futuristic. That already happened on in these years, 2020, 2015, this moment also, 2021. Context say on Europe and also America and Islam, Arab and Israel. Conversation already made with alien and family gone. Definitive on courtesy of files on Internet Global for the interview on next also files by exclusive connection trans alien family card on international 666 on the scarf remaining based context say definitively continue momentum appointment with the secrecy number of people there already being discovery being a statement by myself since this previous years 2015 2020 2021. Contact sales on these quiet non-equipment tools similar with telephone but need courtesy or statement international by the ID 666 on the scarf. Already made it on this made it. Okay, hello everybody. I'm from the Missouri country Tunisia again. I want to remind about that. And this experience also include my early life interaction social neighborhood also. They're very indication on attitude or mystery or about activity secrecy supernatural by their customs ethnic local. Contact say from also national Java or island Java Jakarta I mean. Indonesian county government and politicians out there connection about voting into the ID 666 one for this confirming since year 2008. Context said there's the two situation condition and already being posted by 666 one for this confirming to the moment progress continuing existence case until this is 2021. And then finally got definitive my trust Arab International for the moment appointment or alibi about my discovery number called Vivo. 666 Islam, 666 Trinity Christianity, 666 Buddha Jita, 666 Kingdom in the World, 666 Holy Spirit Destiny with explanations, my struggling existential case supernatural among social, being a proof, being agreement, being assessment by alien family God on international. Interview and conversation with countries, Europe and America already made by them, alien Francis Human, since years before 2008. Contact also say the appointment map of the beach international or it goes to my 666 this conference 666 Ron Collins conference on this progress. That's include also best context say for about my money reward 22 trillion rupiah that being accumulated by association international for about this momentum supernatural being pioneering the case by the ID 6661 for the scarf frame. Context says support for my reward to name one for them myself with total nominal 22 trillion rupiah that being accumulated being associated for the appointment decorations Ellen Fund International want ownership safe national money logo number of people in the world. Definitive were about my patent actually context say or being approved, being agreed by Ellen Family herself. So Ellen Amorter General National Ethereum Galactica on this day millennium and also so Ellen Tate on United States of America. Particular self and want anchor by Anthony R6661 for scarf remaining also for the Stafet Compensation International. Ellen finally got want decoration about their existence in national money logo 666 goes to Anthony R6661 for scarf remaining. Context say also for the patent independence Alien Family Gun on international. Context say international include also group each others or include formal agreement or contacting consensus as meaning context say similar with that people's group social domestic of them include also for this momentum. For supporting decoration Alien Family Ownership National Money Logo numbering of people pattern 666 Islam 666 Buddha Cita context Asia countries include also about that Thailand context seems from Bangkok Thailand or Pattaya town Pattaya context is similar with that and also girls and people from Japan context say Japan's also fans for about Ellen finally got connections internet 666 ICDM on this plane. Okay, I'm recognized for the telecommunications contact. Kind of absurd, but I'm trying for getting here about the telecommunication happening. Context saying also from Myanmar, Madam Aung San Suu Kyi. Hello there, and I'm hoping for the moment struggling situation national getting better by the coalition or group in charge there. Myanmar and also about the domestic national leadership also. Madam Aung San Suu Kyi context seems similar with that. And also support also by countries and others as also Africa continents countries that supporting alien fall decorations momentum on this millennium. Existence in National My Logo 666 actually already began for the conversation since years before 2008 on Europe between alien family and countries on Europe. What about alien ownership asset actually? Alien family money bank money account ownership actually. Attribute status owner for Europe also for the momentum before. Context say already conversation for about waiting appointment next also refund number of people for about alien family next money logo context say alien family actually already own attribute as owner or foundation for my countries on international context say for about also pound sterling England British pound sterling and also context say about the my logo euro also context euro as my logo actually also for about tribute ownership and foundation to alien farming gun waiting appointment next to my logo triple six the true 666 on Bible and Al Quran. Context say definitive already being agreed by alien family gun goes to Internet ID 6661 for the scarf rating and want to maintain for the publications by particularly sustained by Internet ID 6661 for the scarf rating also. Context say, but about then also this moment conference needed. Live courtesy or live streaming monologue by myself. just get connection, contact happening, say United States, America also got connected, connection trust on this moment, need confirmation tolerance by 6661 for this confirming also. So alien Tate or what about alien farming domestic residents, America, each country is also supporting 6661 for this confirming conference on this day. Thank you guys. Quite noisy actually, but context is about improvement or alibi for Internet ID 6661 for Skype framing also. What about the appointment being achieved to this moment progress years after years also as meaning. Context also Ellen family got or the premier alibi for this progress. So also the names each other or the game protected by counters. Some also has also as it's about continuing and final journey. Context say what about code nationality galactica also. Experience phenomena supernatural in this millennium, suspect identity to human commanding goes from grave. Definitive already being agreed together between countries and want to repositions contact appointment next to alien family god because about historical humanity also going to future. Context human civilization through countries actually already conversation with alien family god. What about human commanding goes from grave or supernatural authority on Europe and again America, and therefore want to continue about that through this momentum. 666 on discovery meaning made for his statement claim on international internet global worldwide as meaning. Okay, I'm trying again to make my conference telecommunications. I'm on my country domicile address Indonesia actually. Context there are set code also Jehua or about Bill Ganjang need to be conference also need to be particular on this moment. Quiet non-comfort, I mean noisy, very crowd on my ear. Since from local peoples also, context seems want to include on this moment conference and stay got connected with crazy peoples on the streets. Seems from the telecommunications very random on these moments they also crazy peoples are about the unauthorized connection telecommunication happening also. 6661 got a scarf framing gate want to say my 666 want to be claimed, want to be conference sustained by international interests on this progress. Support for decorations existed in my logo alien family gun. The my logo 666 patent 6661 for the scarf framing going to be included on chart international forex global also contact say similar with that. Alien family gun status as head chairman Inco also 6661 for the scarf framing together signature for producing product real my logo 666 on international 666 as my logo going into on basic confession also for about alien family guard clip our asset to internet also context still need to maintain by international countries for supporting alien family tribute on this millennium. My logo 666 on international. 6661 Koreska family. Again on this moment monologue, non-live stream actually recording. I want to say this conference the considers to about international execution also. Alien family guard need to be protection by countries or their connection exclusive also. For the momentum, appointment declaration existential my logo 666 being involved by unresponsible peoples. Context says 6661 government just need to make conference for status patent about the 2666 in the world on this moment also. 666 on Bible and Quran and definitive for the truth for about the basic pioneering discovery numerical Bible, pioneering the existence case supernatural on the moment. 2008, 2010, 2015 until this is 2021. Context here definitive on many alibi by peoples among countries actually. Experience telecommunication contact body supernatural definitive happen and prank each others want the conference by the RE6661 called scar framing for and calling about that. 6661 called scar framing contact also about conversations need to be from religious also to about alien family appointment next journey on this millennium. Good nominal people need to be support and also about the status as self-government for national money logo 666 on international. Newcomers on chart international forex with basic confessions my logo actually to about claim alien family on attribute as chairman or foundation to internet global code digital money code forex global and also about things about that computer internet affairs APK and also another product or economy context here alien family actually honor for their assets until this is 2021 not just about internet but another equipment or product economy also include to alien foreign ownership 6661 Koriska Fremini experience terror supernatural happen and say definitive quite dangerous for 6661 Koriska Fremini non-responsible people from local neighborhood address 6661 Koriska Fremini also quite noisy for the moment experience 6661 got scarf remaining. Context also on reward money for accumulate status as Stockholm International Money Logo 666. But about nominal total 22 trillion rupiah also. Claim or remade by Internet ID 6661 got scarf remaining on Internet Global. Since years before 2020, years 2015, 2012, actually already pioneering since 2008, quite busy on Internet Global, very quiet for noisy. Actually kind of noisy actually. 6661 Kariska framing contact Internet Global and still conversation also with my family, my parents also, General Adibana Merdeka. Contact say he owns staffs also include for target or about investigations experience telecommunications contact body supernatural from national country Indonesia government and iconic chambers include also parents name Irwan Cornell Jenderal Adibana Merdeka Pangkostrat RPK G30 SPKI Context is similar with that. 666 one got scarf remaining on this moment again. This conference live courtesy already needed by international for files or publications. Agreement contacting with 666 one got scarf remaining. I'm very hoping for my security or my protection for this aurora. I mean, this phenomena supernatural still happening on my already. Very non-comfort for the moment next. Need to be attention by people's international also. Not to be disturbed my already actually. 666 in the word or the affirmative. Affirmative. That's the word. Okay. Or being confirmation, I mean, by myself on this moment. 666 by Ellen for International Alibi and contact also about money reward for myself 22 trillion rupiah already being considered for include status as Stockholm International made it for that about money logo 666 in the world. Patent 666 ICDM definitive directions official to Ellen Family Gun. Ellen Family Safe, none another. Definitive assembly produced and office also include Ellen Family Connection Trust International, such also Islam countries, Arab, Israel and Emirat. Context include also Asia countries and Europe also for about America also. As Ellen Family publications, conditions for pre-launching also by Internet ID 6661 for conference. Context actually single directions to Ellen Family Gun, Ellen Family Self. Ellen Family on self foundations and just need promote publications by Internet ID 6661 for the declaration existence in national money logo self, symbol money 666 in the world. 666 on Bible and Al-Quran. For the assembling factory producing product my logo, direction to Ellen Family Self. Single directory and context on connection trust for the territory supported to Islam countries also, Islam, Arab and Emirat in Israel and through countries and other also. Context for the existence in national Malago 666 actually already been conversation between Ellen Family Self with the connection trust on international. Definitive just need precondition promoted pre-launching by Internet ID 6661 for the scarf framing. Foundation actually direction to Ellen Family Self. National UFO context include also definitive available can be reached by public for conversations with Islam context similar with that. Ellen Family is single direction for the assembling decorations existence national money logo 666. Or patent or claim sustained by Internet ID 666 on scarf framing. Text 666 ICDM will include on product my logo 666 on the momentum. For licensee about my logo 666 original in the world on this millennium or since this millennium to future. The circulation or about the utility used actually by Ellen Family Self through counties for the confessions, ownership, self, national money bank account or money logo self 666 need to be attributed and declared for published on international or made on internet by 6661 for the scarf family. To also about this moment conference also context the my logo 666 actually direction for about Ellen Family ownership assets on international about chart international forex also going to include my logo 666 actually. Patent 666 ICDM, Ellen Family ownership about digital money or internet global also goes to Ellen Family. Context this about also Ellen Family continue victories on international millennium. Ellen Family increase war international support also for about next appointment then about refund number in Covivo 666 in the world. That's all for this moment courtesy non-live streaming happening 666 on Scout Framing context also David is just straight for the status Holy Spirit destiny also in the same time need to be published conference through this moment calendar also meaning about a struggling existence case futuristic human commanding ghost and grave got 666 and also about the stars of tribu alien incarnation human to alien amarter General National Ethereum Galactica. Declaration Proclamation Existence National Malego 666 Alien Family and also about that contact happen and to this moment need to be made a particular. Thank you very much. 666 one got scout for remaining. From this moment progress in 2008, DB consult for the updates or information on internet global social media actually. Google and Facebook also and YouTube also. Contact Ellen finally got definitive hoping for about international understand about Ellen family interest to be independence on this moment. Declaration existence Ellen family ownership national mile 666 for all countries actually. Independence Ellen family got for the ownership national mile logo 666. And about the patent street definitive goes to Internet RD 666 is a them. None another. Going to be included as text on money product my logo 666 at the moment. 666 ICDM patent for about the 2666 in the world. Ellen family ownership. 666 one for the scout evening. Thank you very much. Very many for the statement, testimony, and conference on internet social media on this progress. You can also Pinterest and Twitter also, and then also Blogspot, WordPress.com also, and Wix.com also, and another. Can be found there and need to be confirmation back again to Ellen family actually for next trust conversation and appointment agreement about this momentum millennium phenomenon. 6661 got a scarf remaining. Thank you very much and see you again on my next internet. Declaration Proclamation Ellen Family Existence National My Logo 666 only made by particular internet ID 666 ICDM. Definitive 3666 in the world. Assalamualaikum and Shalom. Om Swantiasu and Bodhisattva. Quite disturbed on this moment, very non-comfort. I believe, suspect, definitive get connected in time on the moment experience telecommunications contact body happening. I believe similar with that. So also this moment. Quite complicated for the execution momentum, but I'll recontact about this moment experience on Internet Global. I believe they get connected in time through this moment also. Thank you. Crazy peoples with them also. Context very clear about that. There go also about crazy peoples on the street. Government also got with them and very quiet for the ordinary conversation live with the connection with others. Thank you very much. Ellen finally God is my primary alibi and will be proved by international Islam countries. For the status of the 2666 in the world, appointment Sarah Islamia and also about international connections Ellen finally for next appointment continue on this millennium. National My Logo 666, alien family ownership, self-independence, non-include for another conspirations, definitive alien family self, patent 66 SDM and support contacted by countries, Asian countries and also America and Europe and Islam countries also contact also about Africa continent. Thank you very much and see you again on my next internet.